change custom profile picture on Ubisoft Connect. So if you want to change the custom profile picture on your Ubisoft Connect, then first you need to open up the Ubisoft Connect application or the website and log into your account. Search for Ubisoft Connect or Ubisoft US, and then you need to go with the first search. Make sure to log into your account. You can go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and then make sure to log into your account. After that, click on the current avatar in the top right corner or the bottom right corner on your mobile application. If you're using your desktop, you need to go with the top right. If you're using the mobile application, you can go with the bottom right. So go with your current avatar and select the profile picture option, which has that pencil shaped icon. And here you will have your avatar. So you can simply choose an avatar that you would like to change. Go with save, and your profile picture will be changed. Or you can just simply go and select the option of choose a game from the drop down menu, and you can browse through the available games and choose the one you like. And after that, you can select the avatar that you want to choose from the games selection and then click on confirm to set your new avatar. So that's how you can change your custom profile picture on your Ubisoft Connect. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.